For UPSC prelims today. Rudram anti-radiation missile. Context: successfully test fired recently from a Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft. Key points: the missile has been developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. It has a strike range of around 100 to 150 kilometers, even up to 200 kilometers depending upon the launch conditions. It is the first indigenous air to ground missile developed by DRDO after the supersonic BrahMos, which has been developed jointly with Russia. The missile has been designed for suppression of enemy air defenses. The missile can be launched from a varying range of altitudes for destroying enemy surveillance radars, tracking and communication systems. NRI quota not sacrosanct. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has held that private colleges and institutes that offer professional and technical courses have a complete discretion to do away with their non resident Indian quota of seats after giving reasonable prior notice. The NRI quota is not sacrosanct, and candidates under the quota cannot assert their right to be admitted. Background: the judgment came in an appeal against the change in seat matrix introduced in private medical and dental colleges in Rajasthan for postgraduate courses. What is risk weightage? Risk weight refers to the capital banks keep aside as provisioning to cover any loan defaults. Why in news? RBI has decided to rationalize risk weightage on housing loans. Now such loans shall attract a risk weight of 35% where the loan to value ratio is less than or equal to 80% and a risk weight of 50% where LTV is more than 80% but less than or equal to 90%. Places in news. Why in news? Street protest erupted in Kyrgyzstan earlier this week following recent parliamentary election. The opposition has alleged that the vote was rigged. Key points: often referred to as Central Asia's only democracy. Capital: Bishkek. It is a landlocked Central Asian country, shares a long border with China. China has built road and rail networks with Kyrgyzstan and Uzbekistan. It is a member of a Russia led collective security treaty organization and hosts a Russian airbase. National butterfly. A citizen poll to identify the national butterfly has concluded with three species garnering the highest number of votes. They are Krishna peacock, Indian jezebel, orange oak leaf. All these have unique features such as ability to camouflage as a dead leaf, exhibit irresistance to stave off predators, and aid farmers in getting rid of pests. Background: the nationwide poll has organized by the National Butterfly Campaign Consortium, a collective of 50 butterfly experts and enthusiasts. What next? The organizers will submit the names of the top 3 of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The onus is on the center of to choose one among them to join the ranks of the Bengal tiger, Indian peacock and Indian lotus, banyan tree and the mango as yet another national symbol. 2 plus 2 talks. It is a format of dialogue where the defense and the foreign ministers meet with their counterparts from another country. 2 plus 2 ministerial is the highest level of institutional mechanism between the two countries. India holds such talks with Australia, Japan, and the US at the ministerial level. Marumani. It is a unique and innovative social media campaign. Marumani means Jewels of Desert, launched by Lok Samvad Sansthan, a Jaipur based media advocacy organization of Mass Media Communication, New Delhi. The campaign seeks to raise financial support for the famed musicians of desert districts of Rajasthan who are suffering severe hardships due to prolonged corona crisis and accompanying lockdown. Garba. Why news? Gujarat government bans Garba during Navaratri. About Garba, it is a famous folk dance of Gujarat. Garba refers to the Garba Deep, which is an earthen pot with holes. It is a dance performed in a circular form by the village as well as urban women with rhythmic clapping. It is performed during the occasion of Navaratri, Shat Purnima, Vasant Panchami, Holi, and other festival occasions. Animal and Plant Discoveries 2019. Both the ZSI and BSI have been releasing animal discoveries and plant discoveries since 2007. Animal Discoveries 2019 lists 368 faunal species as new to science and 116 species as being spotted for the first time in India. Plant Discoveries 2019 lists 180 new plant species and 73 species spotted for the first time in the country. Important species in the latest editions: rock dwelling gecko, Synemphasis adernani, endemic to the Western Ghats; Sphaerotheca magada, a burrowing frog discovered in the farm fields of Jharkhand; Inoplodrops tawangensis, a dung beetle from Tawang; a wild ginger variety, Amomum negamines, discovered from the forest behind Kohina Zoo in Nagaland; a wild fern, Pteris suberiana, found not just in Kerala but also Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Thanks for watching the video. For any queries, comment on the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for UPSC 2021 preparation. Have a nice day. Bye.